It's been almost 2 weeks since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, leading to nationwide protests
My body, my choice.
and confusion over where we stand in Texas right now.
They wanted a stopgap measure, and they found that in the 1925 law.
Constitutional law professor Eddie Carter is talking about the 1925 law that criminalized abortion in Texas until Roe v. Wade in 1973. But with Roe v. Wade's reversal, pro-life advocates say this law is no longer void, using it as a way to ban abortions until the state's trigger law goes into effect.
The problem with that particular law, many critics are commenting, is that it is obviously from a different era. It's from an era in which non-white men and females did not really have access to the political process, did not have any say-so in the political process.
A Texas judge temporarily put a halt to enforcement of the 1925 law on June 28th. Then July 1st, the state Supreme Court blocked that judge's order, allowing only civil enforcement for now. That means abortion providers could face fines or impacts to licensing.
Even though it's not criminal, the civil liabilities are especially burdening, and that's the goal behind the legislation or behind the enforcement of the law.
The fear and confusion has led abortion providers across Texas to halt all abortions. Whole Woman's Health, which has a clinic in Austin, has made the decision to move all 4 of its Texas clinics out of state. In a statement, the president and CEO said Whole Woman's Health has served Texans for nearly 20 years, and our love for Texans runs deep. Even when the courts and the politicians have turned their backs on Texans, we never will. Now another waiting game. The state Supreme Court expected to make a more permanent ruling in an upcoming hearing.
However, the interesting thing about that is that really becomes a moot issue once the trigger law becomes effective.